Mountains could see some flakes tonight.
And Fox 31's Greg Nieto is in Idaho Springs with the Brian Pinpoint Weather Beast as people there are preparing for the first big storm of the season. Greg.
Hey there, Erica. Yeah, you definitely can feel the chill in the air. You know, you head west on I-70, you can't help but notice those big, huge CDOT signs that forewarn drivers, driver beware, just a few days before Halloween.
With the first serious snowstorm on the horizon, as a Coloradan, you can either join them or...
This weekend, going up to Tabernash, pick up my girlfriend, then we're going to go to DIA and fly into Puerto Vallarta.
Avoid them. Brandon Thorpe is choosing the path many have traveled and heading down to Mexico for the weekend.
We had a decent fall, but I feel like it still came and went really quick.
Gassing up in Idaho Springs on the way to pick up his girlfriend further west. Not to scare you, but CDOT is predicting up to 17 inches this weekend for Colorado's Central Mountains. Visibility could be a concern Saturday night into Sunday morning, but not for Brandon Thorpe.
All the snowboarding, it'll be nice to see the snow in the mountains again too.
Packing his bags for sun and sand south of the border.
You promised to send us a postcard from PV over the weekend here in Colorado?
You got it. I'll send you one.
And we're going to hold him to that. Now may be the time to download that Pinpoint weather app. Going to need it all weekend long. In Idaho Springs, Greg Nieto, Fox 31.
All right, Greg.